Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm sharing a recipe for chocolate chip waffles. They are crispy and buttery from outside but fluffy from inside. If you stock up frozen waffles, trust me on that, after trying this recipe, you will stop doing that. And I will share how to freeze this waffle as well. I've been actually trying few different waffle recipe and I end up getting a best fluffy chocolate chip waffle recipe. So let's go and make it happen. So let's start the recipe. Bismillah. First, in a measuring cup I added milk and I'm adding a stick of butter and putting it into microwave and heat it through until butter is completely melted. You can chop the butter, that will be more quicker. I forgot to do that. Now I'm adding some vanilla essence and mix everything well and put this milk mixture on the side. Taking a large mixing bowl, adding eggs and start beating until eggs are fluffy and all frothy. You can do this with the hand blender as well. Then keep on whisking and add that warm milk mixture in there and mix until completely mixed through. Now we'll add our dry ingredients in there. I'm adding all-purpose flour, then add baking powder, salt and sugar. Mix all the dry ingredients very well. There will be little few lumps here and there, but that's completely fine. Now I'll add chocolate chips and fold them completely. Now if you want, you can skip the chocolate chips completely from this recipe and I will leave all those ratio in the ingredients down below. Cover and let it rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Until then, we're going to heat up our waffle maker. Today I'm using Nostalgia mini waffle maker, which I bought recently and I am loving it, and I'm just waffling each and everything. This is not a sponsored post, so just follow the instruction which comes with your waffle maker and the measurement. Just grease the waffle maker very well before you put the first waffle. And if you're making a lot of waffles, just switch on your oven onto the lowest setting and keep them on wire rack and leave them in the oven until you finish up rest of your batter so the remaining waffles will stay warm. Now I'll show you how I freeze my waffle. I am lining up cookie sheet with the parchment paper and putting all completely cooked waffles in a single layer. Now I'll put this cookie sheet in the freezer until these waffles are completely frozen. Then take those waffles out and then transfer it onto a ziploc bag, and you can keep these waffles in the freezer for at least 3 to 6 weeks. Just warm them in a toaster oven and you are good to go. Just serve your waffles with a side of fresh fruit, drizzle some maple syrup and butter, and your fluffy, crispy and soft waffles are ready to eat. Now if you want, you can mix the dry ingredients and keep it in a jar. I just don't prefer to make the batter ahead. They don't turn out that crispy, and that's my experience. But if you are trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.